Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. I got a little bit too much coffee in the basket here. This basket's a little bit smaller. I think I put 12 grams in. I think I would put 10 grams in. So you get good crema, but it's just really slow going. But it's definitely not the performance of the machine. It's just I put too much coffee in. And that's just the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.